Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation x is equal to x over 3. So, there are actually several methods of solving this equation. And to solve this equation, we only have one variable, x. So, x is the variable we need to find the value of. So, for my solution, I'm going to first rewrite this problem over here. So I get x is equal to x over 3. And what I'm going to do is subtract x over 3 on both sides. So I get x minus x over 3 is equal to 0. Now, what a common mistake that most people do to solving this equation is they multiply both sides by 3. So I get 3x is equal to x. And then now they divide both sides by x. So they get 3 is equal to 1. And this is an invalid statement. So that is the wrong way of solving this. So the correct way is this one. I get x minus x over 3 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So now I get 3x minus x is equal to 0. 3x minus x is 2x, so I get 2x is equal to 0. And now obviously, this is simple. All I have to do is divide both sides by 2, and I get x is equal to 0. So now, an important part is to check if this is right. So my equation was x is equal to x over 3, and x is equal to 0. So I plug in x for 0, I get 0 is equal to 0 over 3. 0 divided by any number is itself, so I get 0 equals 0, and this is right. Now I'm going to give you guys another problem. X is equal to x over 2. So try pausing the video and trying to solve this problem. Alright, so to solve this problem, I'm going to do the same thing which I did to our first problem. I'm going to subtract x over 2 on both sides. So I get x minus x over 2 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to multiply 2 on both sides. So I get 2x minus x is equal to 0. And I get x is equal to 0. So it's the same thing, again, using the same method. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 9 to the power of 900 minus 9 to the power of 901. So, to solve this, I'm going to first start by evaluating my terms. So we have 9 to the power of 900 and 9 to the power of 901. And these two terms are pretty similar, except that the exponent for 9 to the power of 900 is 1 less than the exponent for 9 to the power of 901. So the easiest way to solve this is to simplify this as much as we can. And a way to do that is to factor out a term. Well, 9 to the power of 900 is actually a factor of 9 to the power of 901. So all we have to do is rewrite 9 to the power of 901 as something times 9 to the power of 900. Well, we can use properties of exponents to do this. So I'm actually going to rewrite 9 to the power of 901 as 9 to the power of 900 plus 1. And now I can use the exponential property a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So I get 9 to the power of 900 minus 9 to the power of 900 times 9 to the power of 1. So now from here, these two terms have the number 9 to the power of 900 in them. So I'm going to factor out 9 to the power of 900, which is what I said I was going to do at the beginning of the video. So now I get 9 to the power of 900 times 1 minus 9 to the power of 1. And this is equal to 9 to the power of 900 times 1 minus 9, because 9 to the power of 1 is the same thing as 9. Now 1 minus 9 is equal to negative 8, so I get 9 to the power of 900 times negative 8. Now from here, I said I was going to simplify this as much as possible, and we can't really get the exact value because 9 to the power of 900 is such a big number that we can't actually get the exact value for that. However, what we can get is the simplified value, and we're going to simplify it as much as possible. So I'm actually going to move this negative sign to the front, so I get negative 9 to the power of 900 times 8, and this gets me negative 3 squared to the power of 900 times 2 to the power of 3. We're simplifying these terms as much as possible. So I'm going to use a quick exponential property that states that a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n on 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 900. So I get negative 3 to the power of 1800 times 2 to the power of 3. So this is my final solution to this equation. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and even show this to any of your friends and family. That would support me a lot. I have a bunch of other videos similar to these on my channel, and if you're up for any challenges, I have a bunch of those, so please make sure to check them out. And thank you for watching. Bye.